Good evening, Professor. This is my code for the CAESER Cipher project. So basically, the way this works is I have the header file for the CAESER Cipher here, CAESER Cipher class, sorry, and I have these member functions and this constructor here, and then my member variable that's private, which is a key. So basically, the constructor just initializes the key to be between 0 and 25, and this makes sure that the keys is positive once it's inputted by the user. So this here encrypts the text that is inputted by the user by shifting it by the key value here using this formula. It does it for upper and lowercase. And then it's stored in result, and anything that is not an alphabetical character is just added to the end of result here. Once I have this here, once this is done, it's going to output to a file, and then I'm going to read the file, and then I'm going to decrypt it using the same formula but just in reverse. So it just shifts the text backwards by the key amount, and then outputs the same result here. So in main, I have this while loop running here to make sure that I get an input from the user and that it keeps on running until Q is inputted by the user to basically tell me that they're done inputting stuff. Then I have them input the encryption key, and to make sure the encryption key is an integer, I have this while loop here. Once the key is inputted, it creates the CAESER Cipher object with the key, and then it allows me to access the encryption decryption functions here. And then here I am basically encrypting the text, outputting that, and then I'm storing all of that into an out file which is named the cipher text here. Then I'm closing the file. Then after that, I'm going to output the ciphertext that's decrypted, which is this process here. So I'm going to open the ciphertext file. I'm going to run it through the decryption member function here, and my end result would be the decrypted text. Let me demonstrate. So here I'm just going to say there, and then I'm going to quit. Now let's just say the encryption key is 5. So here is the encrypted version of my input, and then it states here that output to the ciphertext, and then I read it, and then this is outputting what's in the file, and then this is